Drumlane Abbey occupies a very scenic location on the edge of one of the lakes that forms part of the Lough Oughter system. This complex lake system of isolated islands and drowned hollows is a very peaceful setting, but it helps us to remember the more disordered past that shaped this landscape. The rounded elongate hills that form these islands are in fact drumlines, formed from till or boulder clay that was sculpted into this shape as massive ice sheets slowly crept across the landscape during the last ice age. Drumlines are commonplace across many parts of Ireland, so it is perhaps not surprising that this now globally used term has its origins in the Irish language. The name Drumlane and the word drumlin are actually derived from the same Irish words, the word druim meaning hill or ridge and the word lahan meaning wide. Today Drumlane Abbey appears to be a peaceful and isolated location, but in its heyday the surrounding waters of Lough Oughter would have been a vital source of communication and supplies. Many early Christian settlements took advantage of the abundance of navigable waterways in this part of Ireland, with churches and monasteries being found on numerous islands of the lakes of counties Fermanagh and Cavan. The original monastic structures at Drumlane were built from wood gathered from the nearby oak forests, having deteriorated over centuries of weather and raids from Vikings and rival clans. During the 12th century, when under Augustinian monastic jurisdiction, the entire structure was rebuilt using local stone to a traditional Gaelic Irish church design, using styles similar to many other monastic buildings. Enjoy the rest of the video and thanks for watching.